Let's learn about the United States of America. Facts about Delaware. Delaware's nickname is the first state because in 1787 it became the first state of the USA. Its capital is Dover. Its largest city is Wilmington. Delaware's state bird is the blue hen. Delaware's state flower is the peach blossom. If you like to birdwatch, be sure to be on the lookout for bald eagles, peregrine falcons, eastern bluebirds, and downy woodpeckers here. Delaware is known for its mineral-rich soil. If you like car races, you can watch NASCAR races at the Dover International Speedway. Hope you enjoyed learning a little about Delaware. Hi everyone, Skye here of Skye's Workshop. Remember to check out playlists to get you to your favorite categories of videos. And remember to like and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching.